wish you, I cannot sing. I'm not gonna go there, guys. Anyway, I just wanna say Merry Christmas, Happy New Year when it comes. You know what I mean? Chef Ricardo is just pouring out my love to every one of you, me and the team who work together, pouring out our love to you to say, guys, have a blessed and a wonderful Christmas, guys. You know what I mean? Enjoy the food, sit back, relax, and just give thanks. And you know what I mean? If you say, you know what happened, you're, you know what I mean? You're here, and you're just gonna just enjoy, cook some lovely food, and let's give God the praise, the honor, and the glory. Anyway, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. You're your family, more blessing. And you know what I mean, I want to take the time out to say thank every one of you. So many people, you know what I mean, but I just want to say thank every one of you who support me, who leave your comments, who encourage me, who, you know what I mean, it's just blessing. And I want to say, guys, in the new year, as we're looking forward to approach the new year, we're just going to say, you know what happened? New stuff, new ideas. You know what I mean? We always have to learn and teach from one another. All right, as I say, you know what I mean, I cannot sing, but you know what I mean. Anyway, Merry Christmas to every one of you, to your family, to the loved one, to every one of you guys out there, and a Happy New Year. Enjoy yourself, and it's just more blessing, you know what I mean, and more prosperity. So this is from Chef Ricardo and the team. They say, enjoy yourself and have a wonderful Christmas. And as I say, we wish you a Merry Christmas.